it be the idea with the intimate? A high-tech robo-net, some heartless terrorist crisis, the hurling wave of ISIS. Can it be United Nation effect? Can it be a superpower pack? Oh, some secret business deal, joint venture to which we need. Can it be some kind of religious task incurred in the Omar Mosque? A new temple of David in which all religions fill. Can this mean an imposed mode of power to rebuild the Babylonian tower? Or just a total different code to break down the religious wall? What will be really to curb the culture scene? Which policy will change the world in harmony? When they say so peace and rest, the fragile unity will face the death. Who will be really to disturb the culture scene? Whose policy will change the world's harmony? Can it be a European empire with Rome as seat of desire? A united Arab kingdom with Istanbul as center of Islam? Can this mean the Muslim savior mind? Or a modern kind of Caesar, Sly and Shorty? Perhaps a Jew from the tribe of Dan, who claims to be Messiah till his end. Who robs the freedom of choice to bring total control? Who raises his proud voice and turns the river of love